I will now demonstrate to you how to use JORDAHL Expert software to calculate supplementary concrete reinforcement required to support axial tension forces applied to anchor channels. The software provides calculations compliant with the Anchor Channel Evaluation Report based on ICC-ES Acceptance Criteria 232. Once the position has been created in Project Administration, the next step is to enter the channel and T-bolt properties. In order to display all profile sizes in the result output, all channels must be selected here. A 14-inch long anchor channel is used in this example. The concrete geometry and properties are entered in the next section. In this case, the anchor channel will be positioned on the front face of the slab. The concrete quality of this example is 3,500 psi, and because the anchor channel will be attached in the floor's tension zone, a cracked concrete condition is assumed. Any concrete body can be formed by entering the edge distances. If the tension loads on the anchor channel are very high and the concrete failure is governing, then you have the option to increase the concrete capacity by selecting the additional reinforcement for tension in this section. The software has already proposed a number 3 diameter stirrup, positioned directly at the anchor. The number of stirrups per anchor can be selected here. Here it is possible to use different stirrups to enable anchoring to more compact elements such as walls or columns. In this example, 2 number 3 diameter stirrups are used per anchor. In a typical facade connection to the floor slab, the facade component is generally attached to the anchor channel by 2 T-bolts. A commonly selected T-bolt spacing is 5 inches. In this case, the loads are entered as design loads. If a load pair was selected for input, then each T-bolt will carry a load. A live load of 2,500 pounds is selected for wind suction, and the dead load of this curtain wall is 500 pounds. If the result button is now pressed, the defined load condition is designed, and the software shows the user all possible anchor channels in the results overview. In this example, a JTA 5030 with a length of 350 millimeters or 14 inches and 3 anchors is presented as the most economical solution. The limiting failure mode is shown if the emphasized analyses are followed by pressing the plus key. In this case, this is anchorage failure in the supplementary reinforcement under tensile loads. The overall utilization is given in the interaction in conjunction with the critical failure case under shear loading. Next, a suitable T-bolt is selected. All the verification data can be seen in the result printout. The first page includes the input data with the required supplementary reinforcement and anchorage length. Verification of the supplementary reinforcement can also be seen here. All decisive proofs are combined with the aid of interaction relationship, and the maximum overall utilization can be seen here. In order to document the results, this output report is integrated in the structural analysis of the building as a whole and may be submitted for examination. More tutorials and information on anchor channels can be found on our website at www.deconusa.com.